in traffic. Kulfi, blueberry ice cream. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. We are going to Ganpati Pure. Uske baad we are going to Panchgani. So it's like a long road trip and we just had our nashta break. We had misal. I think I found this new love for misal, that too in the morning, like for nashta. At first I did not really like misal as a nashta, but then these days I love it. So I had misal and now we are continuing our journey. Guys, our Bhagwati. So after 3 hours we have stopped for a lunch break and we are at this hotel called Ajji Atwad. So unfortunately it's gonna take like 1 hour to get the lunch, so we are just having refreshments. This is some lemon ginger drink which is too gingery. We are stuck in traffic. We did not eat at that place, by the way, that Ajji Atwad, because it was full and they were saying they'll require like 1 hour to get the food. So we left. So it is 6:30. 7 hours we have just been stuck in traffic over the same area, Indapur Road, and yeah, so we did not even have lunch. Also we have a little bit of a detour. We are going to our Atya's house because there's a lot of traffic and we won't be able to make it in time. So let's take the other people's reactions here. They just see.
No comments.
Mom.
No, cannot. Want tea first. Now we want tea.
Yeah, we have skipped lunch, but we need tea. We all are like major tea lovers, tea pagloos. Okay, now let's see when we reach Atya's house.
The next day.
Hi guys, what was this? Anyways, hi guys. From Ganpati Pure, we finally made it, and I made it with a cold. Anyways, so from my Atya's house in the morning, we left at 8, and then Sida 4 ghante drive. Oh my god. So from 8, 4 hours ish we drove, and it is currently 12:30 or 1, I don't know, and we came to the hotel. I had a bath, and then now the plan is to have lunch and then we'll see what to do. So aaj we have to cover Ganpati Pure beach and the temple, so we'll see how that happens. I don't like that I have cold, but this is the room. Yeah.
3 hours later.
So we are all ready to go to the beach. First we're gonna go to the temple and then the beach. We have made it to the beach, my favorite place, but it's too crowded and a lot of sports activities and stuff, but this is the fit and I think it's giving. There are no horses. There is, I just saw one. There are like camels also somehow. There are horses, there are those jeeps, there are banana boats, dragon boats, all kind of boats, and obviously the eating part here.
Boats.
Yeah, and then the eating part. पाणी खूप खोल आहे.
जवळच किती डेंजरस लाटा आल्यात.
I really want to try riding the thing, but only if I was not wearing this. Meg मध्ये होतं ना.
That would be crazy.
We are having some chaat. Hi kar. Here, of course, beach mandate. This is the marketplace. You know what we took? Matching bracelets. That guy wants ukdiche modak, guys. It's the next day and we are ready to go to the temple. I think I'm pretty proud of my eyeliner. This is what I'm wearing, Barbie coated. So we are at our Kuldev temple. This is is the one behind me, and the whole area is like so peaceful. There's like this little water area. I had come here after 10th exams, that's in 2023, but she wasn't here.
So now I've become an architect, so I'm here.
She's here. Baba, hi Kara. So that's Dad. He has to take water from that water area up there to the temple, and we are collecting flowers because there are like a lot and they are naturally given to us. I mean, niche pade hue we are taking, and yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay, so outfit change. We left the Kuldev Mandir and now we're going to Mahabaleshwar, but there's like a way that we can pass through by ferry. So these are the cars that are lined up for the ferry. Yeah, so as I was saying, this is the, I think 10-12 tari hote hain. So these are the cars to be put inside the ferry, and then by the ferry we'll go to the other place and then continue the journey. So it's too hot. We have to take the ticket from here and then the ferry comes here. Kulfi! Double kulfi. Oh, this is rubbery. I love this cup system. For almost 1.5 hours, we have finally been sat in this ferry, and it's still not moving because all the cars are still coming. Our car is parked somewhere here, niche. But yeah, so it's about like 15 minutes ride to the place that we are going. Yeah. They are pretty annoyed because it took us like 1.5 hours and then we had to wait extra because there was this country that had to go, so we had to wait an extra half an hour. So yeah.
2 hours later.
So we have reached Panchganika Resort, and wait, I'll just show you my halat. I'm carrying this bag. It's very cold. It is so cold and we haven't got any like thandi ke kapde. Let's see what we do about that. This is our room. This is the upper floor. This is the bed. We have a TV and we are on a
check where your
yes, let's go. Okay, so I'm going down. So this is our room. There's the washroom. This place to keep our bag. Say hi.
Hi.
So there's like this huge bed here and then one more single bed, and then there is the dressing table. That's Tejasvi. This is me and Tejasvi upar. This is so nice. Love this, love the lighting, love the bed, love that this also has another TV. Then there is also the bestest part, a mirror for fit checks. Okay, so we just had lunch. We just had dinner, and it's quite cold here, as I said earlier. And now we're just like seeing the place. See, this is the swimming pool. This is the potential jacuzzi. Don't mind the accent. That is mom and dad's. This is Tejasvi vlogging me. Hi. And I'm gonna go over the bridge. I'm getting scared actually. I think I'll drop my phone. Ooh, I like this. I'm just scared that I'll drop my phone. Like, मैं गिर जाऊँ चलेगा, but phone नहीं गिरना चाहिए. That is like my number one aim. Just kidding. It is currently 21 degrees, so yep. Good morning. The next day, and we woke up late. It's like 9 o'clock, and we are getting ready to get nashta because it ends by 10 a.m. So we have to rush there, and then we'll see what we are doing for the day. I look puffy-eyed because I think I slept too much. That is Tejasvi. I just have to put earrings and some lip gloss and then I'm done. Having nashta. I'm all ready to leave. This is my fit. So we are all ready. We are ready and we are going to some points and stuff. This is what I'm wearing. Yeah, it's like this vest and obviously my go-to purse. We are walking towards Kate's Point. Our car is parked behind and we are walking.
Comment down below if you have been here.
Comment down below. This is the view. It's crazy. And this is me. There are many activities here like shooting, sitting on a bike and taking a photo, having your tattoo done and all that. But we are not going to do it anyways. But this is the view. The view is mesmerizing. So I have worn these and I have become like partially blind. So specs people, please comment down below your experience with wearing goggles. So mine is always that I dhadpad somewhere. I only wear it for photos, but whatever. Nuska. I have put my specs over my goggles. They look very funny, but I really need to soak in the view. And this is the only way I can.
Wait a minute.
Of having your tattoo done and all that. But we are not going to do it anyways. Nice. This is mom's. Show yours. Something very random. We all got tattoos. I got this star one. I could not find anything else. But we are having buddhi ke baal. Ye buddhi hai uske baal.
Stop it. Get some help.
के बाल. Guys, tell me how you have this. Do you have it like ऐसे निकाल के या फिर पूरा you put your mouth in that? This is the elephant trunk type looking structure. This thing. And this is the echo point. So I am currently standing at the echo point. So now we are शायद से going to the cheese factory. This is something new that we have never done when we have come to Mahabaleshwar iske pehle. So let's see how that goes. Guys, it's a mandate. We have made it to cheese factory. Now let's see what it is. I don't know what it is, but I'm guessing we can taste different cheese. And there's also chocolate factory here. That is the cheese factory. Blueberry ice cream.
So I've taken coffee, espresso.
This is so cute, Jerry. Cheese bread. We just had a little photo shoot session. Where is the sun? Photo shoot session because there are like these really pretty flowers. So that, and this is my fit if you guys did not see it. So now we are going to Mapro. So first we're going to do is obviously eat. Because we have come here for that.
Because Mapro has good food.
Yeah. The pizza is good.
Sorry guys.
Yeah. For as long as I remember, I have called it Mapro. But it is Mapro. My friends make fun of me for calling it Mapro. Yeah.
But Mapro sounds so cringe.
Exactly. Like, it just sounds so wrong to say Mapro. It's like Mapro. Comment down below what you think it is. Is it Mapro or Mapro?
Yeah.
Team Mapro or Team Mapro? This is the Italian Delight Pizza and this is the classic sandwich. Again a mandate after coming here. This is the mango cream and ice cream and this is strawberry cream. We have tried the mango one for the first time. Let's see the reactions. How do you like the mango one?
Amazing. It's Alfonso mango, so it's good.
Rate it. 8. Mango कसं आवडलं? Rate कर त्याला out of 10.
Out of 10, 8.
Nice. बाबा तुम्ही mango वाला कसं आवडलं? And rate. 10.5. Wow. So yeah, as you can see, it was really good. I think I would rate it 10. I loved it. We have made it to Venna Lake, and I think we'll do some boating here. And I'll just show you. Wait. Look at that.
मैंने प्यार किया. मैंने प्यार किया. ये
समझे ना. So that song was basically shot here. So we are all ready with the...
We're going boating.
Yes. We're going boating. This is the Khana Ka Bhandar, Khana Ka area where we really want to have cheese Maggi because that's like a tradition. I believe Mahabaleshwar mein aake cheese Maggi khana. We have had it once, so obviously that's why. We found हमारे मतलब का stall, Maggie वाला stall. So we have taken the cheese Maggie. This is our cheese Maggie. How excited are you to eat it? Very. As rightly said by Miss Tejasvi, my vlog is all about food, and here we are again at the Gola place. We are taking the blue Gola. We are sharing one obviously.
Blue gola is my favorite gola.
जलजीरा मसाला हाँ चलेगा. As if you even heard. But yeah. It's nice. So I just played that game. I got this chocolate. So it was like you had to put the balls through the numbers, and then us number ka you get a gift, and I got this chocolate. Now it's time for corn. Corn घेतलाय आम्ही आता finally. I don't know why I started talking in Marathi randomly, but yes. Now it's chai time. हमारे पेट में जो होने वाला है ना crazy कुछ तो mixture. उंधियो.
First we had Maggie, then we had gola, then we had corn, and now we're having chai.
Yeah.
Everything under the interval of 10 minutes.
Yeah, but as I said, we are on holiday and all of this should not matter. So we came to our hotel. We are in the car park, whatever. But look at the view. Wow. We are going for dinner, and I'll just show you. They have put the cricket match. It's MI versus LSG today, so they have put the match on the projector here. See, they have put the match, and they have kept like chairs for people to watch.
The next day.
Leaving this room, so bye bye. We had our breakfast, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because the trip is done. We are going back to Thane now. It'll take about 5 hours to reach there. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, the vlog. Please tell me how you liked it in the comments, and yeah, follow for more.